just like 5 minutes ago. That's terrific because we've only been here for less than an hour.
And let them know.
Closed, and there's nothing I can do, and I need to be supposed to drive home tomorrow. I need the car, please. Where are you? I gotta get to you, and I need the car, and I gotta pick up my kids are in over mountain. I'm freaking you out. I'm totally freaking out. I know. You're killing me, dude. Honestly, you're killing me right now.
It's just.
I mean, you seem nice enough, but I'm sorry to tell you, you guys are bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are over here going downtown Gatlinburg. We are getting ready to turn left up here on the East Parkway for more illegal parks. Got call for 2 of them, so we're gonna see if we can snatch up both of them. But one is a great big Grand Wagoneer, the other is a Tesla. So they're both gonna need dollied and they're both gonna be miserable, but that's okay. So stick around, stay tuned. We're gonna see if we can get over here, see if they're still over here. Maybe that'll work. Hopefully. There we go. Scrape or dirty there. Looks like there's big scrapes down the side of it. Let's see if it's unlocked. Locked. Scrape down there. Scrapes there. Honey. He's right. Dollies. It's a big one. Oh my goodness gracious. I saw the bar bending on that one. Okay. Let's get out of here. What was it?
It's a rental, and I think it's a Grand Wagoneer. And it was in,
Tattoo.
it's,
Tattoo body piercing.
tattoo, what's it called? Tattoo body piercing. And there's a sign about a tiny little sign that says tattoo shop parking that's in a tinted window.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We just picked that one up.
Great. Just like 5 minutes ago. That's terrific because we've only been here for less than an hour.
Okay.
What are we supposed to do? I mean, we're stuck and I got to pick up my kids at Over Mountain at 8 o'clock.
As long as you said it's a rental company. Who did you rent it through?
Enterprise.
Enterprise. Okay. Is it the Enterprise here in Sevierville?
No, it's in Florida.
Florida. Okay. You will have to give Enterprise a call and let them know.
Closed and has nothing I can do, and I need to make a call back. We're supposed to drive home tomorrow.
Are you kidding?
I mean, seriously, Enterprise is closed. They're closed at 4 o'clock in Florida. I
Right.
need the car, please. Where are you? I gotta get to you, and I need the car, and I gotta pick up my kids. We're in Over Mountain. I'm freaking. You understand? I'm totally freaking out. I know.
Wow.
I gotta go pick up my kids.
I understand. But it makes it a little bit difficult since it is Enterprise's vehicle. It makes it really. Do you have your name on a rental contract, or
Yes,
you do?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. As long as you have that, the cost associated with the tow was. I mean, it has to be cash.
$100 cash to pick up this car that they towed like 5 minutes ago.
$4 cash? Are you kidding me?
Oh my I'm like, I have to go pick up my kids at Over Mountain. My dog's at home up in the mountains. I mean, what the hell are we supposed to do here? You're killing me, dude. Honestly, you're killing me right now. Please help me.
Again, there's just not really much that I can do. It's over here at 221 Newman Road in Gatlinburg.
How am I supposed to get there?
There are trolleys that drop off at the top of our lot here. There is also
$100 cash with us.
there is also an ATM right up from our lot here.
God. What? Can you text me the address, please?
Yes, ma'am. Is this phone number?
Yes, you understand. I don't know. How am I supposed to? Oh my God. How far are you from here?
It's probably a less than 10-minute drive.
Can you just bring it back?
I can't, unfortunately. On the illegal part, I can't.
Oh my God, my kids are calling me right now. This is so not good. Okay, text me it, please, immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. My goodness. Hello, Everything Auto.
Oh, hi, Everything Auto. You have my Grand Wagoneer black that you just towed about 20 minutes ago from a tattoo shop. My name is Lori. We're out front here at the gate. No.
Okay. Alrighty, I'll be there in just a few minutes. Should be less than 5 minutes.
Great.
Alrighty, see you soon.
Okie dokie.
Thank you. Hello. I guess you guys are here for the Wagoneer.
What do you say?
You're here for the Wagoneer.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the rental agreement?
No,
have
it's not. I made
Here's
one
what I
online.
got. I got the keys, which is going to show you.
The rental
Right.
agreement. Okay.
Rental agreement's got to be in it.
Wait a minute. Enterprise. Let me just look.
Are you the tower? What is
Yes.
the deal around here?
Yes. So specifically at the tattoo shop right there, of course it's right next to the hotel there.
Yep.
So they've got their signs there, and then it's just been
In a tinted window.
yeah, no, it's just
I mean, you
been
seem nice enough, but I'm
know.
sorry to tell you, you guys are fucking assholes. I mean,
us.
I mean, this is terrible. This is bad.
Well, I mean-
we looked for some. We didn't see anything.
How is it my fault?
Well, no, I'm
not
just
your
saying
fault.
it's kind of bad because we went to the tattoo shop and I'm like, what happened? they're like, well, there's signs.
Okay, just stop. Just let me find.
And I went out with
a
a tattoo person, and the signs are like.
I understand, but that's not my fault.
They're just working for the
kind
tow
of
company.
harsh, though.
What do I need to show you? Oh gosh, it just disappeared. My phone doesn't want to work.
Well, they said you guys are on a loop or something, like you just.
A loop.
Enterprise.
They said that's what the tattoo people
Check
said.
in for your upcoming pickup.
Yeah, it's a constant issue with them there. So they're constantly calling trucks.
Well, they said they didn't call.
They did.
See, that's what I'm trying to say. They're claiming they didn't call.
I have.
That's fine. I don't
have
care.
it on
I just
receipt.
need my card. My kids need to be picked up like ASAP.
No, I understand you. I understand
Okay.
it's
so
a difficult
I have no
situation.
more time. I just need to know what to show you.
I understand. I just need to see some sort of rental agreement with your name on it and date saying that it is still within the rented date.
Yeah, see, that's what you got to say, because we went to tattoo. They said they didn't call.
They did. They did. I have the phone receipt of them calling.
Well, that's what I'm saying. There's like, we didn't call. The property owner has a camera and this, that, and the next thing. And I'm like,
right.
Okay. I'm like,
right. Yeah, no, like I said, they, especially with the hotel right there and New Year's, all the people in town, they are taking up those spots there. Of course, it's difficult trying to find a place to park.
Pickup date is December. Should have been whatever. Return date is
Okay.
January 4th.
Okay.
In
we gotta
Jupiter,
leave tomorrow morning.
which is him.
Can I see your ID?
Yes.
You know, I know, I understand. It's a difficult situation.
Well, it's really difficult because I've been parking in parking spots the entire time I've been here.
Right.
Paying the 15, 20,
Right.
whatever the deal is. 'Cause
Right.
I'm like, okay.
Are you staying with the hotel there?
No, we stay in a rental at the thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, if...
We drove by and she was like, well, let's stop in the brewery and get a quick bite to eat because we dropped our kids up at the mountain.
Right.
And I was like,
right.
okay, so there was no parking lot to brew, which I thought there was going to be.
Right.
Okay,
If you've got the cash, then I will get you a receipt and I will pull it up here for you. There's an ATM at that bank right there is the closest ATM.
And what does this cost?
It's gotta be cash.
See, that's the problem.
Yes, sir. Special equipment and the knowledge and making sure that the vehicle gets here untouched.
Where am I going? Just tell me.
This building right here
Soraya?
with the light.
Right
Yes. Yes.
And
Right
you're
there.
gonna wait right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't disappear.
Yes, ma'am.
I have no.
I will be right here.
That's where the problem is. Absolutely great.
Slowpoke over there's a bunch of money.
Here's your receipt. It has all of our information on there and as well as the vehicle information. Do you have the keys for it?
Yep.
If you give me those, I will pull it up here for you.
You're just the tow driver, right? You're not the owner of this place, are you?
I'm co-owner. Can I help you?
No.
No, I just need the car. There's no more help.
Okay.
I just want the car.
Okay.
Gotta go. Just need the car.
Yep.
No more talking. I just need to go.
So the tattoo shop called me. So.
Yes. And they act like they had no idea what was going on.
Correct. They said, oh, the property owner called.
Right. Oh, God, who sees that sign? I'm so annoyed right now. We never park like that.
Sign is dark. No, you usually yell at me.
Who saw signs? These are signs everywhere. Do not park here. Towing. There's no signs. Tiny little. That business is. They're just doing the job. They were called. They have no other choice. They have to come grab the car.
Charge me $4.
That's what they charge. What are you gonna do?
Charge you $150.
That was a towing because it broke down, not towing because you parked illegally.
He towed you.
Whatever. Just get here. I have to go pick up kids.
What is he doing?
Trying to figure out how to drive the car. That's
No, he can't. It's like.
yeah. There's another car.
gotta get you Mountain Dew.
He didn't say nothing to me.